What it is, Backstreet Crew, man. I'm back with a little video. I was supposed to have this shit together for you, man. Shit fucking up, irritating me and shit, man. I'm supposed to be trying to go hard, crazy for y'all this year. I'm gonna get my shit together, though. You know, I told Coach it's an I team this year. Fuck you talking about, you know, all that other shit. But no, we with the Guppies. We got... Best stop playing. Little mukbang for y'all, like, you know, so a little something talk about that, you know, little Gumby pizza. A little Gumby pizza, that's it, with the bacon on that bitch. We gonna get right to it. Let me hit that motherfucker a couple more times, you know, dope up, you know, I can't be doing both. 30 finger ass, let those. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and as you can see, I done dove into that big motherfucker. No, how y'all day been with y'all? What y'all done did today? I'm my first question. I'm gonna give y'all about 30 seconds to answer that before I tell y'all what. Tell me about y'all week, actually. Monday, Friday. Tell you about mine. Give you a couple minutes for that. Alright, fuck it, y'all take too long, I ain't even gonna lie to you. So look. Monday. I didn't get too much Monday. I ain't gonna lie. I sleep. I don't want to smoke. I slept a little bit. Watch a little TV. Work. My week can be boring. The interesting part though, I seen that Avatar shit this week. No, not at the movies. It's not that type of fiasco. I'm sorry. But look, my take on it, I don't fuck with it. I don't know. I don't like the whole naked blue alien thing. Is it supposed to be us from? That ain't me, so, but it's supposed to be somebody. They got that basement. Basement, motherfucker, side. I didn't even watch it all though, y'all. I fell asleep on that shit. That shit bullshit. I watched a couple of movies. I watched something called Bloody Christmas. Weird ass movie. About a killer robot Santa. Wow, shit, man. That motherfucker. White bitch trying to run. Couldn't get nowhere. I thought I was gonna try to stuff this shit out my face. No, I'm sorry, my phone. Me, I'm cheap as hell. Try to invest in some shit. Ain't go right. I ain't tell you what, cause just in case you get the problem out, I done spoiled some shit. You know what I mean? So just joking some shit. Man, y'all need to go get with Gumby for real, though, cause on the real, they done bounced their ass with that motherfucker right there, bro. I done did Uncomfortable questions video. Y'all need to go tap in with that. By the time you see this, you can probably see it now. You know what I mean? I like vibe. No, I ain't watching for. I be falling asleep, bro. I don't be studying shit, bro. For real, bro. Boo, bitch ass man. Bruh. So it's 2023. What y'all think I should do on the channel, bro? Like y'all be making me uncomfortable, bro. Like you ever been backslap? I'll be ready to backslap this smoke. You know, like I hate being startled. You hear me? I'll be upset at me like, why ain't I got 100 subscribers? Why are y'all being like that? It's disrespectful. In my head, I'm like, I don't know 7 people. Like, I don't know 7 people. Do you know 7 people? You feel me? I don't know, bro. I'll be upset, bro. My time be getting ate up. Got a lot going on at the moment, though. I know y'all like where Tay been. Fold them up the road, not the county. What up, Backstreet family? Yes, it's your boy Backstreet D back early in the morning. I'm trying to finish this fucking video, nigga. It fucked up on me last night, but I'm like, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna finish it in the morning. Cause I didn't want to finish it. Like, it don't even matter. It don't say nothing about my cardboard. Cause I ain't want to watch nothing about a dish, you heard me? But look, Slime, it's like 8:30. Oh my fucking God. I damn near let y'all miss it. Oh my shit. Damn, Lil Diddy. Damn, Lil Diddy. Man. One of these days, I'm finna take my nigga break. Get some food. Do a challenge. Finna start having niggas do food challenges, man. Should I make merch? Like, I'm just like, let me help me, bro. I ain't even trying to make merch for real, so let me not. It's over with for here. Too much going on. But I ain't trying to make no merch, bro. I be customizing some of my own shit, though. I ain't about facial shit out. I can. It's my shit. I got the hiccups now. Eating too fast. You know, I can't. It's a 20-inch pizza, bro. Look at one slice. I ain't finna try to force myself to eat all that shit in no 10, 20 minutes. I ain't even gonna do it. Then I'd be wasting the shit. But I have brother eat some hot shit for a couple hours. If y'all want to see that stuff, for real. I'm trying some crazy this shit, bro. I be slacking. I be having a lot going on, bro. Y'all wanna understand? Y'all, I'm trying to be like Kai now. You hear me? A black content creator. Folks. Oh, face on this man. Before y'all start calling me nasty, fool over here. But no. What y'all want? The fuck out of here, Lou. I've been walking. Took the trash out. Dirty for that. I don't care. Fuck y'all. Fuck. I'm gonna get in the shower right now if I'm over here. Fuck. I'll probably push on my foot. Don't even fucking know. Anyway, y'all. That's it for this YouTube video. Like, comment, react. Don't react. Like, comment, subscribe. Somebody say subscribe to my channel. I'm beating the fuck out of you. We're trying to get 1,000 this year. By the end of 2023, watch this video. By the end of 2023, we don't have 1,000, nigga. I'm doing 1,000 push-ups. I'm live, dude. I don't know about live, but I'm fuck them push-ups. Fuck y'all. Let's give me 1,000, please. Y'all fuck with me. Fuck. Start doing shit. You know, yeah, subscribe to it, y'all know.
From grandma arms, side in jail without a bun. Grew up toting dirty guns. The start of it say LAPD. Rhyming shit to get some funds. Hammer cock my mad son. Feeling mission, baby, that dog food out here for cheap. What you gon' do? Eat a star from north side to living low.